Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe by High Carb Hannah. And what it is cauliflower mashed potatoes. And it's all going to be made in the Instant Pot. Super easy, super quick, and let's get started. What I have here is about 7 red potatoes. I'm going to quarter those, and I've got a couple inches of water in my Instant Pot. I'm going to put my steamer basket in here, and we're going to steam the potatoes and the cauliflower right here in the Instant Pot. So it's going to be super quick, super easy. So I'm just going to quarter my potatoes and add them in. So I've got the last of the potatoes done. Now we're going to add a half a head of cauliflower, which I've chopped up, and add that in. We're going to put the top on, cook it on manual for 10 minutes, and let the steam release naturally. And then we'll finish it all up. All right, so the steam has been released naturally. What I did was I drained the water. I took the steamer basket out, drained the water, put the veggies, the potatoes and the cauliflower back in, and now we're going to add some spices. I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to do the juice of 1 lemon. Then we're going to add some unsweetened organic soy milk, probably about a half a cup. So maybe a little less. You can always add more. And then you're just going to mash it with your potato masher, and it's just going to mash like a dream. All soft. Perfect. So here's the finished product. A big bowl of cauliflower mashed potatoes. Cauliflower is such a versatile vegetable. I love to add it in so many different things. It's high in nutrients, and it's just super easy to throw it in your stir fries or whatever you're making. So let's give these a taste. Fantastic. And trust me, I'll eat this whole bowl, no problem. So I will link Hannah's information in the description box. Be sure to follow her and check out all her recipes. She's got great whole food plant-based recipes, and I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.